I'm Eric Barassa. I'm the consumer advocate with MassPIRG, and I work on a lot of consumer protection issues, making healthcare more affordable, protecting consumers from rip-offs in the marketplace, and I also spearhead our work on promoting public transportation in Massachusetts. I started in our fellowship program in 2003 with MassPIRG. So the first campaign that I worked on was a campaign to create fire safety standards for cigarettes. Smoldering cigarettes are the leading cause of household fire deaths nationwide. And we knew that there's technology that exists to create a cigarette that is less likely to cause these type of fires. And this technology is referred to as fire-safe cigarettes. And so we ran a campaign for a number of years to require the tobacco industry in Massachusetts to sell only cigarettes that meet a basic fire safety standard. So we faced a huge opposition in the tobacco industry. They're one of the biggest lobbying powers in the nation. And they fought this legislation because one, it was going to cost them money to create a different type of cigarette that meets this fire safety standard. But secondly, they don't want to be regulated. They don't want to be told what to do. So there were three main tactics involved in this campaign. The first was to build up a broad coalition of organizations that included firefighters and fire chiefs, public safety advocates, public health officials, burn victims, and even the families of victims that had lost their lives in cigarette-ignited fires. Then I lobbied a number of legislators and members of the Public Safety Committee that the bill was before, and I organized a number of press conferences where we raised up the visibility of our legislation and of fire-safe cigarettes. And all of these things together really helped pass the bill. We were able to pass it through both the House and the Senate and get our governor to sign it into law in July of 2006.